Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TENX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Quite the eventful day on Friday, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and a lot of volume on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. And really, in my mind, there's one level of support that's pretty much do or die, make or break. And why is that the case? Well, let's take a look here at $1.20. Why is $1.20 so important? I'm not saying this will occur, but I fully realize that when I use terms like do or die, must hold, that's pretty dramatic. But why is this a dramatic area? Well, if the price were to come down to $1.20 and then break down through it, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And not to insult your intelligence, but when price movements go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. And in this situation, would basically make the chart a pump and dump, meaning the price for sure made a great move, and then within the time span of just a few days, if it were to literally go right back to where it started, that would be the epitome of a pump and dump. Again, I'm not saying that that's what's going to occur. I'm just trying to explain why $1.20 is so important. Because on the flip side of things, if the price were to come down to $1.20, but behave like that and then begin to work its way back upwards, what would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. You'd have that low right there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now from the big picture point of view, you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. You want to see progress being made forward. And right now, the quote-unquote progress point is right there at $1.20. So $1.20 is basically like a dictionary, meaning it is the price, quote-unquote, going back to where it was, that associated with bearishness, or is the price, quote-unquote, making progress, that is associated with bullishness. So a whole lot of eyeballs going to be on $1.20 going into next week. So let's see if the price can stay up above it or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.